This video shows how to clean the interior and exterior parts of Xerox Versalink C625 Color Multifunction Printer. Slightly dampen a soft, lint-free cloth with water or glass cleaner. To avoid activating buttons and menus when cleaning the printer, press the Power Wake button, then touch Sleep. To remove fingerprints and smudges, clean the touchscreen and control panel with a soft, lint-free cloth. Use a soft, lint-free cloth to clean the outside of the output tray, paper trays, and other exterior areas of your printer. Open the document cover and wipe the entire area of ADF glass. ADF glass pad, scanner glass, and scanner glass pad. Open the document feeder top cover and clean the feed rollers.